This video I will show you how to download a file and save it to the downloads directory for a Flutter macOS app. So here I am downloading this mp4 file which I have for a particular URL, and while saving it I am saving it as my file .mp4. okay. Now if you want, you can append, instead of hard coding this my file, you should append something like date time as well to this particular file, because if this file already exists then you might face some issues. So it's better to append my file, then you can just add some date time, some random string and .mp4. Otherwise you will have to check if this name of file already exists, delete it and then download this file. Okay, but just for simplicity I haven't done that. Now here you can see inside my downloads folder I don't have such file. I'll go to my Flutter app, okay, and I'll just click on download file, and here you can see that file has been downloaded. So let's see how to do this. Firstly, go to your Flutter project, and I have refactored my homepage widget. I have created a method channel called download file platform. Now same identifier you will have to use it on the macOS side as well, and I have created a method called, sorry, this name should not be pick video, it should be download file, like I was copy pasting it from my previous tutorial. Okay, now if I make this as download file, I'll have to change it over here as well. Okay, so on button press, basically we are calling this download file method, and if you see we are now this name should be used on native macOS side as well. So the name is download file, and here we are also passing the URL for which we want to download the file for. Okay, next that's all on the Flutter side. You will have to open macOS, go to the macOS folder which you see over here, open XE workspace inside Xcode, and here first you will have to go to this sign in and capabilities, and here you will have to check this outgoing connections checkbox. Also inside downloads folder you will have to give read/write permission. Next you will have to go to main Flutter window, and here basically I have created our Flutter method channel. Now same name I have used it on the Flutter side as well, and here we are listening for this download file, again same name, and once from that we are extracting our URL. Once we get it, we call this download file method, and if you see download file, we just pass our URL, then we get hold of our downloads directory, then we create a destination URL as well by appending. Now again I am telling you to append some random string as well apart from your file name, otherwise you will face an issue if file with same name already exists. Then here we are creating a URL session, and here we are just doing session.download task, and once we get the temporary URL, response and error, if the error is present then we just return and print error downloading file. If you want, you can send this back to Flutter side as well using this result. And if the file already exists, okay, then I'm just appending a new name, so that's what I'm doing over here. Okay, so you don't need to do it over here, but in case, but I mean you will have to do it over here because this file is different. This I think okay, I think sorry some mistake from my part. I think it is the same file, but here if the destination.url.path exists, like this file exists, then only I am appending a new name. Okay, sorry for that confusion. And here once we get the new name, then we do a new destination URL. Okay, and then we just move that particular file from temp URL of this to our destination URL. Okay, and if the file with same name does not exist, then we just move this same thing, same code which we have written of moving, we have written over here. And we, most important thing, make sure you call this download task.resume. Okay, so yeah, sorry about that. You don't need to append date time to this. Okay, and here because I have added that particular check over here. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.